Hey there and welcome to another video. After watching this video, you'll be able to make your mobile 4 times faster. I will tell you some tips on making your phone cleaner and faster. At the end of this video, I will give you a secret method using which you will drastically increase the performance of your smartphone. So without any further ado, let's get started. Like in computers, the performance of mobile phones also diminish over a period of usage. Mobile OS is usually lighter and speedier to support your needs on the move. With some maintenance, you can speed up your phone. Here are a few tips that will get you through increasing your mobile phone speed. Understand your device. Every mobile phone is unique and different from others. Understand the advantages and disadvantages of your phone by studying its components and configuration. Some apps that will need more resources can slow down your mobile phone. Identify if you have any such ones and remove them. Update the phone. Update your phone with the latest firmware. Every time Android operating systems come up with updates that give way to more stability, better speed, connectivity and performance besides other kinds of user-friendly features. Remove unnecessary apps. Every app you have installed on your phone has taken some memory and is running some processes in the background. This can slow down your phone's performance. Uninstall or disable the apps that you don't use. Update the apps. Using Google Play, you must update your phone's apps from time to time as when any updates are available. Newer versions of apps come with added features with their bugs fixed. Updated apps can run faster. Make use of high-speed memory card. The memory card of your phone is where the data is stored. If your phone has low internal memory, you can boost up the same with high-capacity memory card that has enough storage space. To support high-speed read and write options, you can use about 32 GB worth storage space. Have only as many widgets as needed. Unlike apps, widgets keep running in the background. They remain active all the time. Some widgets help keep track of the weather and some important dates. Some other widgets help in having exhausted controls for quickly accessing Wi-Fi, touch, Bluetooth or GPS. Though you might find them useful, having too many of them on your home screen running can tremendously slow down your phone's performance. Do not go for live wallpapers and animations. Many of Android's live wallpapers are just lovely. Live wallpapers that are not made properly will require several GPU cycles to run, which will drain off the battery faster. Live wallpaper are activated every time you activate your home screen, thereby some of the phone performance is dropped. It is good if you choose not to use a live wallpaper feature. Also, screen animation features also take away the speed of your phone. Stop syncing. Syncing feature synchronizes your data with Google servers. When the sync is on, you will get notified when a new email arrives or when a new message is delivered on your phone. This feature will need a refresh at a regular interval of time. If you keep the syncing off for unrequired services, you can save on the speed and performance of the phone. Clear your cached data. Your apps are constantly caching small pieces of data which typically will speed up the performance of your phone. But if your device is running low on storage, cached data will start hurting more than it helps. Here's how you can clear it out and start fresh. Go to the settings of your device first of all, and after you reach settings you need to scroll down and find app storage or app manager, or on some devices it will be storage and USB. Now you need to go to the internal storage option over there and click on cached data. Once you click on it, it will say you to clear all the cached data. You need to click on OK, but don't worry, this won't delete any important data on your phone. Once that is done, you can simply exit out of this. For the method 2, you need to go to the settings once again and you need to scroll all the way down and find an about phone option over here. First of all, you need to find developer options over here, but on some phones it is not visible. Then you need to go to about phone and find an option over here saying build number. Then you need to tap on the build number option 7 times and this developer options will be unlocked. Now once that is unlocked, you need to scroll down and turn off these 3 options over here which says window animation scale. It is by default set to 0.5, so you need to turn it off. You also need to turn off the transition animation scale and animator duration scale. Once that is turned off, you can simply exit out of this and your phone should already get better performance by now. Alright, so that was all about increasing the performance of your smartphone. I hope that you will succeed in boosting the speed of your smartphone, and if you do, then don't forget to turn the like button from grey to blue and subscribe my channel with the notifications turned on for more such videos from this side. So that is all for this video. Catch you in the next one.